Sporting Memories is a network we've established that we're spreading across England, and we work with older people, those living with dementia and with memory problems, and we use sport as a focus for reminiscence. People are comfortable talking about sport. We spend most of our lives reflecting on sporting results, and we are a sporting nation, and it seems an obvious subject to use to improve not only the mental well-being of people but also the physical well-being.
Sport obviously is something that many people in all different levels are able to connect with, and the way that Sporting Memories was working, we felt that it would be a really good way to connect people together.
Oh yeah, I know Jackie Charlton.
Reminiscing is a great way to connect and engage with the person, and the sporting memories are personal to them, and it's actually opened up a really big gate to communicating more.
I could do the splits.
Do the splits, could you?
Yeah. Most probably still could, I don't know, I haven't tried lately.
It kind of raised the quality of care that people were receiving, as well as helping the people that were bringing their memories forward.
From talking about sport and reminiscing about sport, people often get the urge to then revisit the sports that they either once played or watched, and inevitably the groups lead to people actually playing sport and exercising. And we know that that's so important, that exercise is a key focus in terms of people living well with dementia.
Not only do we do the reminiscing, but we do the reliving. So we think about the sensory part of it, about the smells, the sounds and the environment. So we've taken some of our people to football matches, we've taken them spectating swimming. I don't think many people would think about taking a 96-year-old lady ice skating, but it's all very, very positive.
Central to triggering the conversations are the powerful images that we use of sporting legends. And we have a number of sports that we covered: cricket, boxing, football, rugby, tennis. One of the other resources that's been fascinating to see develop is the Suite of Replay websites, where we've asked a few stars of sport to share a few memories, because memories trigger memories. And actually, in the space of 18 months, we've got over 3,000 memories have been shared. And they make great reading in themselves, but they also give us a great opportunity to raise awareness about dementia and other mental health conditions to fans who wouldn't necessarily be aware.
The memory game was a game we selected as a football club and as a community department to promote the Sporting Memories programme as best we could.
We get fans sharing memories ahead of the match. We work with local media to raise awareness of what the game's all about, which is celebrating the history and heritage of the club, but actually raising awareness of dementia.
The match that raised awareness was really well received, and I think we can sort of take from that and learn that those sort of events are really valuable.
The approach has a number of possible benefits in terms of engaging people, in terms of getting the health promotion messages out across generations, in terms of tackling social isolation, in terms of tackling depression, and in terms of engaging people living with dementia.
The spin-offs of the Sporting Memories are just never ending, and so exciting and so enlightening. It's been an amazing experience for us, and something we've embraced and encapsulated, and certainly going to take it forward.
It's something that most people can find a conversation about, so I would recommend anyone to go forward with it.